Okay, here is a little update for you. Sorry about the creaking of this thing, but I was able to cut a hole in the wall there, and the wiring does look like it's coming from above. So I used some tile bits for the drill, and as you can see, compared to a regular drill bit, that's the tile bit. And then what you can see, those are made without, somebody else made those. And we've got lath from the other side, and then we've got this side is actually lath and sheetrock. So we've got a lot of material to go through. So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna see how that works out. I need to be 5.5 inches above that white board in the middle there to put this light. That is a diamond grit 4 and 3/8, 4 1/8 or something, and that's supposed to be enough for this light right here. So as you can see, very similar size. So I've got the Milwaukee 18-volt hammer drill. Obviously it is not in hammer mode, and we're gonna give it a shot. Let's see. So we've got the drill, definitely not in hammer mode. We're gonna put it a little bit higher. I'm gonna put it in right. I don't know, this is kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. So, we look like we're going in a little bit. Now we're gonna just straighten out. Oh. So, looks like we made it mostly through. Yeah, I think we're right up to the wood and maybe a little bit on the bottom here. So, let's see. Okay. That's great. Okay, you can see it did pierce a hole in the middle as well, and it's not exactly the middle, but pretty close. Now, let's look at this. See the tile dust coming off, but looks pretty good. We still got the grit on there in most places. Okay, this thing worked pretty well. Okay, now let's see if we can't get a little bendable blade in there. Pop out. Okay, look at that. Okay. Oh, pop that tile right out there. Not gonna lie here. Now you can see this tile nice and thick. Really nice thick tile there. And then we've got the lath board, horsehair plaster. Really interesting. You can see the horsehair there. And you can see why they call it horsehair. As you can see, maybe it's pubic hair. Just kidding.